guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Joseph Reacts here, and in today's video, I will be reacting to Choi BEOMGYU, a nature documentary. This video is by Baby Yeon Bin, and I'm so excited to get into it today because I have been getting tons of requests about this video, and honestly, the title sounds really fun and exciting. So, without further ado, let's get right into this video. But before we do, please be sure to check out Joseph Reacts merch. I'll have the link down below or right up in this upper corner here. Check it out. I would love to have you guys support the channel.
BEOMGYU looks like a bear. So cute.
Aw. Like a baby bear.
이거 미간이라고요? 아, 다음 점. 아, 깜짝이야.
I love it.
빼줄까요? 아, 요즘 많이 잔 이유 알았어요. 날씨가 따뜻해져서 그래요. 별의 낮잠. 추울 때도 많이 자. 추워서 그래요. 원래 겨울잠 자야 되거든요. 봄이야. 빨리 껴.
Well, okay, since
That's
they
so
keep
cute.
insisting.
Choi BEOMGYU. Oh god, this is so cute.
This youngster is just a few days old. Playing strengthens its legs for the long journey that lies ahead. They dominate a territory of 450 square kilometers.
Wow.
It's taken a few years to master. And it's clearly a skill he feels is worth showing off.
This is cute.
It's a test of real strength and stamina. The cub, now nearly a year old.
Oh
Inexperienced,
my
he
god.
has much to learn.
이거 어떻게 내려가요? 발가락 지났어요.
Oh.
But they're nervous,
아, 못 내려가.
and with good reason.
Oh, so cute.
There's a 70-meter drop to the forest floor.
Oh my god.
Perfection. Here is one especially bountiful food source.
Insert. Insert. 스파게티.
Form a major part of their diet. The bear also makes the most of the rich source of food.
Pizza, chicken,
This
okay, and
is
fries.
a perfect place for them to feed and rest.
This is so cute.
But his neighbor has a rather smaller meal. The bear is hungry.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, super.
And the neighbor is a thief. As soon as he turns his back, the thief swoops in.
Ah! This is so freaking cute.
Troublemakers are challenged to a duel. Holding on to the prime spot requires a great deal of effort. This technique only works when the rival male might appreciate the need.
Okay.
All brown bears have to be opportunistic. Still,
Disturbing
it's
a
best
fox.
to let sleeping giants lie.
Uh-oh. Who
And
is
if you
that? I
have
can't
your
tell.
head in a hole, best to have a lookout. Careful not to cause panic. The fox can detect the slightest
Oh, it's Yeonjun.
undisturbed. Not anymore. Tempers begin to fray. They have seen one another. Which will run first? Time to run for it.
Oh my gosh, this is so funny.
Perhaps it's time to try a different prey. The hunt is on. The penguins chase the thief. It can be tiring work. Competition between them is intense.
This is so cute. I love the voiceover.
For the penguin, it decides one dolphin is not worth the fight.
This is so funny.
Hide and seek improves their survival skills. Although only playing, their claws are primed for attack. But if that doesn't work, they fight.
Oh my god. This is not a replay. Tay is strong.
A volatile temper makes it one of the most dangerous animals anywhere. He can still stare death in the face and not even know it. Perhaps its low profile is its secret weapon.
Uh-oh.
It isn't seen as a threat.
Oh my god.
Fatalities are inevitable.
A squirrel and a bear. Fighting.
Living an extreme, hyper-energetic life as they do,
Ah!
they go into torpor. The kind
Who is laying on the floor? Aww.
It doesn't seem to be working.
Uh-oh.
He will either have to find another tree or be very patient.
Look at all the switches.
But he may well fail altogether. These 3-month-old pups spend their days sleeping and playing. And then they attack.
Oh! Right on the cheeks, honey.
Bears don't take kindly to being disturbed from their slumber.
That's right. You go get them, honey. Oh.
Playing is important for the youngsters, for as they do so, they establish the social bonds they will need when they start to hunt together as a team. They be boisterous, fight, and then
Oh, this is a cute, like, apartment, honestly. Oh, look at all the food.
But what do we know about these unique bears?
Aw.
Well, they are tiny.
This was really, okay, this was absolutely the cutest video ever. Ever, 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 ever. Yes, I love how they incorporated the nature documentary voiceover with real life clips of TXT and specifically, of course, BEOMGYU. I thought it was so cute. This was the cutest thing ever. I really enjoyed it. Let me know you guys' thoughts and opinions down below in the comments section. How did you like this video? I would love to know. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my reaction, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.